Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Infinix Smart 63GB. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Their budget-friendly smartphone Infinix is set to launch Smart 6, which has got a new variant of 3GB. The Chinese company Infinix is launching a new smartphone of its Smart series. The newcomer will be a budget-friendly smartphone. The phone is an upgraded variant and will be named an Infinix Smart 63GB. The smartphone got a chipset of Infinix SC9863A, 28nm, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this handset has a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor inside the Infinix's Smart 63GB to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of IMG 8322 under the hood of this smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.6 inches and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 720x1600 pixels. The new Infinix Smart 6 is having an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display that is the latest one and well known for its outstanding results. The upcoming new handset of the Smart 63GB by Infinix will be paired with a gigantic RAM capacity of 3GB. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the device show that it will enable the user to execute things with this smartphone within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the Infinix 63GB is 64GB, that is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a dual camera setup. The main sensor of the Infinix Smart 63GB will be 8 megapixels. The selfie shooter of the phone is 5 megapixels to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. The Smart 63GB is having a rear-mounted fingerprint reader to secure the data on the smartphone and only allows the authorized person. The device will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging. Samsung and other tech giants will face serious competition when the coming 63GB will released. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.